Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and today for my tip of the day, I'm going to talk about some ways to make locating doorknobs and door handles just a little bit easier. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so now for my demonstration here. If you're blind or visually impaired, it can be challenging to locate the doorknob or door handle of a door. I see a lot of people, they're kind of just reaching around, hoping to find that handle, which can be a little frustrating, especially if it's a new door and you're not familiar with it. So here's a technique I learned from another instructor to make this a little more of a systematic approach to finding either the doorknob or door handle. And to do it, you're going to be aiming around waist height because that's normally where most door handles are located. Obviously depends on how tall or short you are, but that's kind of a good general area to start. And what you're going to do is I'm going to use my hand. It could be either hand, and I'm going to make a wave motion with my hand with my fingers curled down. And when I'm doing a wave motion, I am traveling from left to right on the door. It could be right to left or left to right. And that way, my hand will locate the handle or doorknob. So I'll show you here again. So I'm right now have my left hand on the door. I'm going from left to right. I'm looking for the handle and I'm doing a wave motion with my fingers curled, so that way I can find the doorknob, which I just found. And you want your fingers to be curled, that way you don't jam your fingers either on the doorknob or get it caught in the door frame. So having your fingers curled gives you some protection. So I'm doing the wave again along the door. This time I found the lock for the deadbolt, but then my hand can travel down to find the doorknob. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this tip of the day video was helpful in learning about an easier way to locate doorknobs and door handles. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell button. That way you'll be alerted when new tip of the day videos become available. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.